Hi, my name is Mike Tyke, and I'm the board president here at The Legacy. At The Legacy, our goal is to provide our condo residents with an upscale downtown Minneapolis living experience. A big part of that is to include the amenities that they expect from a luxury building. We're fairly large now. We have 374 units and 700 parking spaces located in the heart of the bustling Mill District. So it's not surprising that many of our residents already had or were looking to buy EVs. And although we already had several previously installed EV chargers, those were dedicated chargers that ate up way too much power per space to provide the charging to the rest of the units. So we decided to kick off our EV charging project with a power survey, which calculated that our building had about 1,700 amps for EV charging. Now that sounds like a lot, but frankly, it would only cover about 10% of our units with full level 2 charging. That's why we decided to work with EverCharge. EverCharge was able to offer a turnkey solution with better power management than other providers. They worked closely with us to create a solution design using their smart power technology that addressed our specific power constraints and maximized our charging capacity. The solution allowed us to avoid the cost of new transformers, utility upgrades like trenching, installing new switchgear, demand charges, and permitting, and all the associated servicing costs. Those costs could have added hundreds of thousands of dollars in many years to the project. They made the entire electrification effort extremely easy for us, with everything being taken care of from start to finish. EverCharge installed 80 chargers and 65 fully powered junction boxes ready for charger installation when the owner buys an EV. That charger count is now growing to 85. They consistently stayed ahead of schedule and delivered us a fully completed site 3 months ahead of time. With their technology, we even have the ability to double the number of chargers if we want without upgrading our infrastructure. We're thrilled that our partnership with EverCharge has been such a success. Not only are we able to provide our residents a reliable and easy-to-use charging experience, we've also created a more attractive amenity for prospective residents, and we think an opportunity for increased unit value.